Hi guys, so a little while ago I shared my base recipe for crepes and I promised you there will be more recipes coming, and today's recipe is one of those. It's for savory stuffed crepes with a delicious mashed potato and mushroom filling. Sounds yummy? Let's get started. So first we want to peel the potatoes and start boiling them. And while the potatoes are cooking, we can prep the rest of the ingredients. So you want to peel the onion first, and then we want to finely dice it. Then you also want to peel the garlic and also finely dice it. And then we also want to prep the mushrooms. So we want small pieces because this is going to be the filling. So just chop them like this, so you have some small pieces. They will still cook off, so they will be even smaller, but this is about the size that you're looking for. Then you want to heat a medium pan over medium heat, and once it's warm, add some olive oil just to cover the bottom. Then I have some fresh rosemary and thyme, which I'm gonna keep like this, so I'm just gonna add them in for some flavor. And I'm also adding in my onion. And at this point only adding in the onion, so we are going to add the garlic a bit later. So now we just want to brown the onion over medium heat so that it doesn't burn, but it gets a really beautiful brown color. And then once you have a beautiful color on the onions, so they are not really brown, actually you could give them a little bit more time, but I'm gonna start adding in the garlic now. And you also want to give garlic some time, so at least a couple of minutes, to also get a beautiful brown on the garlic. So now also the garlic has had some time to brown. So you can see both the onion and the garlic are looking brown, have some beautiful color. And now we are going to add in the mushrooms. You want to keep the heat on medium and just continue cooking until the mushrooms have also had time to cook through. And then once your mushrooms have also cooked through, so they have this beautiful color, the onion is really nicely caramelized, you can remove the herbs And we can also remove the mushrooms from heat. In the meantime, my potatoes have cooked through. I've strained almost all of the water, just leaving a little. And now I'm just gonna mash the potatoes with the potato water. Now I have my mashed potato already in a medium bowl, to which I'm also going to add in the mushrooms. And then we just want to give it a short mix. And then you also want to season well with salt. And with black pepper. And then you want to give it a mix. And since at this point there is no egg in the mix, you can taste for salt and add some more salt if needed. And then once the mix, so the mash with the mushrooms has cooled a little, you can add in the egg. And you want to mix it in well. And then once it looks like it's well combined, you can swap to a spatula just to shortly kind of mix through to make sure everything is combined also from the bottom and from the sides. And then your filling is ready to go into the crepes. I've pre-made my crepes. They have cooled already, and I will link the recipe for you now. And then we just want to spoon the filling, so about 2 tablespoons of the filling in the middle of the crepe. And then we want to fold in from the top, then from the bottom, and then fold the sides, so you get this kind of a wrap. Then I've buttered an oven-proof baking dish, and I'm just gonna add my stuffed crepes in there. And then once all your crepes are stuffed with the mashed potato mushroom filling, you need to bake them according to the instructions that you can find in the recipe. And the recipe, as always, is linked in the description box. And then we are going to make the sauce that will go along the crepes. So while they are out of the oven and cooling, you want to mix 150 grams of sour cream, creme fraiche, or thick yogurt, natural yogurt. Then you want to peel 1 garlic clove and press it through a garlic press or chop it finely, so you have some fine garlic there, and also season with some salt. Then I have some greens here, some parsley and coriander, but you could also use just parsley or just coriander, or also some dill. And now we're just going to give it a mix. And then you can serve it along your crepes. So what I would suggest to you is just make a big batch of crepes, double the recipe, and you will have enough for the savory stuffed crepes. You will also have enough for just enjoying with your favorite topping, and also you might have enough also for some sweet stuffed crepes, and a recipe for those is coming very soon as well. I hope you enjoyed this savory version and will give it a go. I think these are really great for lunch. You can serve them just like that with the dip on top, or you can serve them with a side salad. You can serve them with some fish or meat or whatever you like. But I must say they're really filling, so even if you serve them on their own with the dip and a light side salad, you will definitely not be hungry anymore. If you enjoyed this recipe and if you liked the idea for these kind of stuffed crepes, then don't forget to leave that thumbs up for support. And also, if you're new to my channel, then you can subscribe right now, and if you tap the bell, you won't miss any of my new videos. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.